Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm very happy to be here with Steven. Steven has been nice enough to share his journey today. I wanted to ask him, Steven, when did you start losing your hair? And tell us about your research in terms of how you're in this chair today.
I started losing my hair probably when I was 25. My research really started online, and I went to a couple of consultations. I had a FaceTime with Dr. Huebner, and the rest is history. I'm sitting here now.
So like a lot of guys, it's important that you do your research. There's people that certainly know what they're doing, and there's a lot of people that maybe don't do it as often or maybe don't have as much experience. So really important to do your homework with every facet of this surgery. Awesome. Well, I'm really excited to get you some hair today, man. We're going to draw out a hairline now and talk about everything. But thanks again for sharing your story, and looking forward to following you all along this journey.
You're welcome.
All right, Dr. Huebner here with Steven. So at this point, he looks very different. Obviously, he let us shave his head. Shaving the head is a nice thing if people can allow us to do it, because it makes sure that everything stays in place. It's not a deal breaker, but he's in a position where he can possibly wear a hat for the next week or two. So definitely makes it easier in terms of cleaning and making sure everything stays in place. How do you feel? Are you nervous?
I'm a little bit nervous. I feel a little bit lighter.
Definitely is a little lighter. He got 2 Valiums, so he's going to start feeling better in a second here. And we're going to get him to the operating suite and start doing some hair. So thanks again for sharing your story, Steven. And he was saying a lot of people helped him with these videos, so he's trying to pay it forward, and I really appreciate you doing that, Steven.
No problem.
Okay. All right, Dr. Huebner, I am here with Steven, and we have just finished his surgery, so I'm very, very happy. Obviously, a big change in how he looks, shaving his head and everything else is kind of hard to get used to at first, but for him, I can promise you it's going to be worth it, Steven. And overall, how was your experience today in terms of everything? Your whole process.
I would say it was very smooth. The pain, almost non-existent. Couple pricks here and there.
Sorry, I'm one of the pricks in the office. Sorry.
Just to get started. The other staff, they were wonderful as well too, and definitely took care of us today.
Good. How much pain are you in right now?
Not much.
Okay.
I'm ready to go home.
Ready
at that point. So.
Yeah. So it took about he got in around 9. We're leaving around 3 o'clock or so. Maybe just shortly after 3. So we went through all the post-op instructions. He has my cell phone number if there's any issues. He has all the doctor's cell phone numbers, has backups as well. As you can see where his new hairline is going to be, nice and staggered all the way across that frontal third. And then I'm going to turn you around here, and you can see that we were able to also fill in his crown, which is really the bonus. And you can also see how clean, I'm going to pull this down, look how clean this suture line is. It's just a nice clean line all the way around. When that heals, his barber's not even going to know it's there. So very excited for him. I can't wait to see how this affects and improves his life permanently. And thanks again for being an ambassador and paying it forward.
Absolutely.
With these as well. And we'll be in touch with the follow-up videos, of course.
Yep.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.